What do you see?
Butterfly.
A butterfly? Which one?
Monarch.
A monarch?
Mm-hmm.
Go show me. Gotta go slow. Sneak up on him. Go slow. Oh, he's pretty. I hope it's a he. I have to see if he has spots on his back.
Oh, cute. Look.
What else do you see?
There's no one right there.
There's another one?
Right there.
Oh, you know what he is? He's a skipper.
Zebra.
Yep, he's a skipper.
Zebra.
Ooh, and dragonflies everywhere. Crazy.
It's for me.
Ooh, he's coming to see you. Check him out, Emma. You want to come on this side? You can see him better. Come here. Wow.
Oh, no.
Somebody's coming up the driveway, huh? Good thing monarchs aren't scared of dogs barking.
Oh, it's on me.
Ooh, he's coming after you. You must look like a flower.
It's a pink fire.
Show me.
It's a pink fire.
He is on the pink flower. Isn't he gorgeous?
Oh, it's away. It's away.
He did fly away.
Oh, it's on me. Oh, he's not pink one. Oh, it's a pink one.
He's on the pink
Oh,
one.
it's on me. Oh, it's far away. It's on me, Mom.
Here he comes.
Oh. What's he far away through the window?
He is. Where's he gonna come back?
What's he come back?
Tell him, come back, Monarch.
Come on, Banner.
Come back, Monarch. That's a big shirt. Do you want me to take it off? Are y'all done?
No.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Say bye.